I hope all of you are doing well today. For today's video, I've got some data entry remote job opportunities to share with you. The first job is with Shipt, and they are looking for a data entry clerk. For this job, you will use a keyboard, optical scanners, or other office equipment to transfer information into the database system. You will collect information directly from customers and enter information into the database. You will create accurate spreadsheets in Microsoft Excel. You will confirm accuracy of data by comparing to original documents. You will create reports or otherwise retrieve data from the database. You'll perform regular backups of data. And you will maintain an organized filing system of original documents. Regarding the qualifications for this job, you must have a high school diploma or GED, previous experience as a data entry clerk or something in a similar position is preferred. You must have typing speed of 45 words per minute with a high level of accuracy. You must be skilled in Microsoft Word and Excel. You must have an understanding of databases. You must have familiarity with standard office equipment such as fax machines and printers. You must have excellent verbal and written communication skills. And you must have attention to detail. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits are competitive compensation, paid time off, and career growth opportunities. This is a full-time position with the pay range between $25 to $30 an hour. The next job is with Conservice, and they're looking for a senior data entry processor. The responsibilities for this job are to input data from bills into company software, to recognize and research anomalies within bills, and to collaborate with other team members to resolve bill issues. Please note that duties, responsibilities, and activities may change or new ones may be assigned at any time with or without notice. Regarding the qualifications and preferred skills, they want you to be self-motivated. You must have attention to detail. You must be able to multitask. You must have organization skills. You must be able to take ownership for work and performance. You must be comfortable using a 10-key number pad. You must be able to effectively navigate systems to ensure processes are followed. You must have clear and professional written and verbal communication. You must be able to manage and prioritize workload to hit standards of excellence. And you must be able to be flexible and adapt to different processes and projects. Regarding the educational requirements, you must have a high school diploma or GED. This is a full-time job with the working hours from Monday to Friday from 8 to 5. You have the option to either work remotely or in office. Regarding the pay, you will receive $15 an hour plus performance-based tier pay. The next job is with Contec, and they're looking for a home-based data entry typist. For this job, you'll be gathering and organizing the material from which you work. You'll be typing memorandums, reports, and other documents using stipulated word processing software. You'll be preparing work in accordance with prescribed formatting guidelines. You'll be proofreading assignments and amending mistakes before submission. You'll be submitting completed work via mail or post. You'll be filing and storing copies of your completed assignments. You'll be maintaining a record of completed tasks and logging hours worked. And you'll be remaining up to date with changes in pertinent word processing software. Regarding the requirements, you must have a high school diploma or something equivalent to that. You must have proficiency in Microsoft Office. Previous experience in a similar role would be advantageous. You must have excellent written communication skills. You must have outstanding organizational skills. You must be attentive to detail. You must be able to work with minimal supervision. And you must own a personal or laptop computer. This is a full-time position. The next job is with Advanced Communications, and they are looking for a direct care specialist. This position entails, but not limited to, answering inbound calls and emails for requests from customers and technicians, placing alarm systems on test, changing and updating data information from client in multiple systems, assisting with account setup and programming, assisting with selling products and ordering products requested from customer for promotions and marketing, and other duties assigned by the operations manager. Regarding the qualifications for this job, you must have a high school diploma or GED. You must be able to provide excellent customer service, and you must have excellent communication and writing skills. You must have excellent computer skills and Microsoft Office. Data entry experience is a must. You must be able to answer a multi-line phone system within 3 rings. You must be able to multitask and manage various software systems. You must be able to work independently. And medical terminology is helpful, but not required. This is a part-time, 1099, entry-level position. If you are interested in this job, you must send your resume. This job pays $15 an hour. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have not done so already, just press that subscribe button below this video. That way, when I put out content in the future, you won't miss out on any of it. So please remember to subscribe. As always, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for listening. I hope that you have a blessed, wonderful day.